Hi, my name is Will Johnson. I'm a HUD renovation loan consultant here in San Diego. Today I wanted to speak to homeowners. We all enjoy the benefits of home ownership, yet we don't have to look far to realize the housing crisis. In fact, we may not have to look beyond our immediate families to understand the struggles of affordable housing. We could have aging parents that may not be financially secure and may be facing high costs of independent living. Or we could have siblings that may not be homeowners and are facing too much income that is going to rent. We could have young adult children where home ownership is hampered by high rent that is impeding savings for a down payment. We could have impairments within our family that's now compounded by providing close proximity to caregiver assistance and providing affordable housing, as well as providing some level of independence. So we wanted to talk to you about some creative ways of creating affordable housing. Thanks to recent provisions of granny flats that have really eased the implementations and have lowered the costs, have really made this an attractive, viable opportunity. If we utilize renovation loans to cover the construction costs, you can see the affordable mortgage payments that we can now implement and provide this affordable housing, particularly when it's compared to the high rent that's currently in the marketplace today. If you don't have funds, you can look at refinancing with an equity or a renovation loan. In the instance that you may not have sufficient equity, you can look at a renovation loan that will actually provide a much larger construction budget. So what we've done is we put together a team of professionals from financial specialists all the way to contractors. So what this allows us to do is put together a project from its initial inception and following it all the way through completion of construction. So we wanted to encourage you to explore more. We have financial experts available to talk to you. We also have a website full of information. We encourage you to explore more to understand the provisionings of accessory dwelling units. This will actually create the opportunity of creating affordable housing for your loved ones. Thank you.